Struggling with your first cook on your new barbecue? This is a video for you. Don't forget, everything's in the video today. There are links in the description below for the best place to get those barbecue products. Make sure you check those out at the end of this video. Hi Weber fans, welcome back to my channel, and those new to the channel, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today's video is aimed at new barbecue owners. Now, if you are new to the barbecue, something you have to get used to is cooking with the lid down, so you've got a convection cooking system. Today we're going to be doing something simple. So say if you're going out and buying a steak, or making a steak, or stewing a steak, the best way to start with the barbecue is to start with something that's cheap. So today we're going to start with a sausage sizzle. Let's jump straight into it. Right, so what I've got is some cheap sausages from Coles or Woolies or even Aldi's, doesn't really matter. You just want to start with a nice sausage. You pay whatever quality you like for these sausages. So what I'm going to do is get this queue lit, be a bit of a time lapse, and I'll show you how to cook them to the perfect consistency on your new barbecue. And don't forget, if you're using this video today, there are links in the description below for the best place to get those barbecue products. Make sure you check those out at the end of this video. Right, so we enjoyed that quick tutorial, and as you can see, those sausages turned out superb. Can do onions as well. I have done a video on that. If you want to do some onions with your sausages, if you haven't got a flat plate, you can always put them on a bit of tin foil and cook them on the grill at the same time. But you can see it's really simple and quick to cook those sausages, and just give you a bit of practice of cooking with the lid down. Now, for those struggling to clean your barbecue, check out this video next. And for those struggling to cook the perfect tuna steak, check out this video next. So thanks for watching, happy grilling, and I'll catch you in the next one.